Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to talk about world-class training practices for CMMS software. Are you looking to make the most out of your CMMS software training? Then you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn the secret to successful training practices for CMMS software. We'll discuss strategies to vary your training methods, ways to make it interactive, and the importance of continuous training. So let's dive in and transform your CMMS training for better results. Typical CMMS training programs are multifaceted, using a mix of on-site and in-person workshops, individual training courses, and hands-on usage. There's no one-size-fits-all or best way to train employees to use a CMMS. Instead, it's more effective to vary training practices based on the type of information that's being taught. Let's dive into some key strategies to make your CMMS training more effective. First up, you need to provide information-specific resources. CMMS software is packed with different features, and that means you should also have a variety of information sources to draw from. It's helpful to consider the type of information in tandem with how that information is presented. For example, it's a good idea to have both a self-accessed FAQ or wiki knowledge base and a series of training courses. However, the way the information is presented in these different sources should vary. A wiki should probably provide more in-depth information, while training courses should focus on teaching the specific tasks they are based on. Next, make your training interactive. Not all employees connect with and remember verbal presentations led by management. We all have different learning styles, but most of us retain information better when we're thinking critically and actively involved with the information. Interaction is the key to ensuring employees are engaged in their training. Set up training so that there's an interactive component in every section. Avoid drawn-out PowerPoints or hour-long talks. Instead, give employees access to a portion of the CMMS so they can submit a work order or report a machine down. They'll not only enjoy the training more, but also remember it better. Lastly, remember to train as new features come. It's not enough to just train when a CMMS is implemented. Training needs to be an ongoing process that incorporates new features and feedback on data input. If you're purchasing a CMMS from a vendor, ask them about long-term training options. Will you always have access to the vendor's CMMS knowledge base? If the vendor can't provide ongoing training, you might need to consider implementing trainings yourself. Failures in CMMS implementation can often be traced back to errors in planning, data migration from previous systems, and communication. For maximum impact with CMMS training, employees should receive continuous communication, so they're aware of new updates and product features. With a strong training program in place, an organization that wants to transform its business with a CMMS can see less confusion and more results. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of varied, interactive, and ongoing CMMS training. Remember, effective training is key to maximizing the benefits of your CMMS software. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your journey to a more successful maintenance and reliability team starts here.